Shiba Inu holders, this is the warning video. That is the warning for all Shiba holders, my friends. My friends, keep watching this video for more and better understanding. And if you are new to my channel, please also subscribe my channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends. Absolutely, ABS Tech channel will guide you how you can make money with the cryptocurrencies market, and especially ABS Tech channel will guide you about the Shiba Inu, my friends. Now, my friends, I also in a coming soon video I will also talk about the Shiba Inu crash, because the danger move is coming soon in the Shiba Inu, my friends. So that's a warning for all of you, that please don't be disappointed by the next crash of the Shiba Inu, my friends. Never lose hope, my friends. Personally, Abby Station holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token, my friends. So, and you know what? I also share my plan with all of you in my many videos, that I'm going to sell my Shiba Inu in the last of 2021. I'm waiting for the Shiba Inu, when will they reach to $1 so, and this time I'm going to sell my Shiba Inu token. I also recommend for all of you that please hold Shiba Inu to the last of 2021, my friends, because absolutely when the Shiba Inu hit a $1, so I have a 2.5 billion USD profit, my friends. Just imagine my profit, my friends. 2.5 billion Shiba Inu I'm holding, and now the current price is very low. When Shiba Inu going to hit a $1, so I have a 2.5 billion USD, my friends. So absolutely Shiba Inu will make me millionaire. Also you, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates.